Hello, I'm Dan, the Lettings Director at the Property Centre in Taunton. We're on Rossiter Road today, which is in a fantastic Nerrells farm development. Behind me is a 3-bedroom semi-detached house that's coming to the rental market. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. It's been a pleasure showing you around this 3-bedroom property. If you're interested in booking a viewing, or if indeed you're looking for a valuation of your property, please get in touch. I'll be happy to help.